Hi everyone. Let's see what is the guidance for us. What does universe ask us to do? Let's check that. Right. Okay, universe is asking you to be very practical right now. Okay? Do not invest your energy where you think it is not required to be invested. Choose, make choices, make decisions. Do not just be available for everyone around you. Choose who you need to be available for. Choose where your energy has to flow, because otherwise I see that you are going to get drained. Okay, so choice is something that is universe is asking you to make right now, especially when it comes to investing your energy. Okay, be very practical, cut those things and people off who are draining you. Do not hesitate in being very upfront and assertive while having a communication with someone. This could be related to work as well. So if you have to be straightforward, if you have to be very honest about certain things that doesn't go down well on you, please do that. Do not sugarcoat it unnecessarily, otherwise you will be stuck in a situation where you don't want to do certain things and you'll have to do it, you'll be forced to do it. Okay, you have a very good time right now to spend with your family. If you're planning to extend your family, if you're married, if you're planning for a child, it's a good time for you right now. The universe is going to support you if you want to do that. If you want to get married, that is also a good thing that you can do right now. Universe will support you. Another guidance universe is giving you is that do not get manipulated by others. Do not listen to what others say. Do not listen to what others ask you to do. Do what you feel is right. I know you're very insecure right now because of certain things that you have done in your past. You feel that you made big mistakes because of which you're suffering today. But even that time it was not the right thing to do. When you were listening to others, even this time is not a right thing to do. Do not consider other people's opinions, guys. Just follow your own heart. Okay, that will lead you to the right place in life. That is what universe is telling you. Universe is saying that this is the right time for you to get rid of anything that is negative in your life. If you are addicted to something, if you are you know that there is something that is not right for you and you're still attached with that, please try to come out of it. Universe will support you. Communication is the key. Okay, if you feel that there is something that is bothering you, please talk about it to someone who you trust. That is what is the sign that is coming out from universe today.